Good afternoon, guys. I got the house. So quickly, let me teach you how to operate the drawing grid. So go to my menu, then select the app. Okay, select the app. The first icon you have here, or the first, let me just say picture you have here. You click on it. That looks like a file. You click on it, then you enter your gallery from there. Okay. Then you select a picture. Let me just choose a picture here. Okay, now I've selected a picture. Most times people don't understand how to use this app. Like, it do stress them when using it, but I'll make it simpler for you when you want to use it and when you want to transfer the drawing to your paper. So you know that most times we use standard size for drawings, like your 12 by 15 or 12 by 16, and your 16, 20, 20, 24. So those are the major standard sizes we use when drawing. So okay, now the way I do my own grid, I use each box should be 1 inch, one inch by 1 inch. That is where I do my own grid. You see the boxes here now in this picture, they should be 1 inch by 1 inch. So that's what I want to do here now. First of all, I will click on this line here that's having these horizontal lines here, these three horizontal lines. Then I will select the row I want. Let me select 16. Then I'll click on OK. Then no need of clicking this other vertical line. The reason is because we want to make the boxes in here to be equal. So you click this SQ, the place where you see SQ, you click on it. Then if you watch, the boxes are now equal, 1 centimeter by 1 centimeter. Now if you want to get probably 16 by 20 or 20 by 24, first of all you have to edit your picture from your gallery, probably to that's close to the size of that picture. At least you can use your eye gauge now, so you edit that picture before bringing the picture here, because if you just bring the picture here, it will not give you exactly that size you want. So first of all, you edit it from your gallery close to that size before bringing it here, so that when you click on this SQ square, it will just give you the correct measurements which you want. So maybe I will still do another video on how to get the accurate size, but for now this is how to grid your work.